This is Saita Mankar.
Hi, this is Priya Bapat.
And you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
In fact, now there's one more thing that you can redeem yourself in. This is rapid fire.
Yeah, I love rapid fire.
Rapid fire. Let's see that. If you allow, we will start with Priya Bapat.
Please.
Oh no.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
oh,
rapid
yes.
fire with Priya Bapat. Chocos, desserts or junk food, if you have to sacrifice any one of them. Chocos, desserts or junk food?
Junk
Which will-
food.
Junk food. A food hack tip you want to give to all those who are overweight. Wait. Any tip that you want to give to people who want to lose weight?
Just give yourself 45 minutes every day.
For workout? Okay.
Yes.
Thing you miss the most about being a kid?
Oh. Sweet. Any sweet sweets, Indian sweets that I used to eat as a kid.
Okay.
I can't eat it anymore.
Okay. If
As
one-
much as I used to eat.
She's had enough.
If one day you wake up as a boy, what will be the first thing you'll do?
I'll become a girl. I'll start wearing a girl's clothes because I don't want to become a boy. I love being a girl.
Okay.
I would always be a girl. I'll never be a boy.
But
Okay.
if you have for our show, if you have to give a more interesting answer, please.
Actually, I have the answer, but I can't say it to her.
Please.
Please say it.
No,
Please
I
say it.
won't. I'll tell you later.
Please say.
I
Sure, you got it.
I think we did to some extent as well, but you're never too sure about what women think. So,
No, I think you got it.
okay.
But I'm not going to say it on camera.
But anything that you'd like to say? Anything interesting that you'd like to say?
No, actually.
An actor from Bollywood you think would be perfect for a road trip?
Ranveer Kapoor.
I like that expression when she said that. At least there is something interesting over there. I really like the expression actually. A film of 2016 you're awaiting the most for, apart from Wasn't That?
I was going to say wasn't it?
I know that you will say
My film or any other film?
any other any film.
2016 Ventilator.
Ventilator. Yeah, that's looking very interesting. Yeah. I should put
Because
it forward.
I know Rajesh Mapuskar and I'm a big fan of
Correct.
Rajesh. So I'm really looking forward.
Yeah, looks interesting. The promo looks interesting. One hidden talent of yours no one knows.
That I can be quiet at times. No one knows this. And I'm sure nobody will believe this, but yes, that's a hidden
I
talent.
do believe it.
Your favorite food items?
उकडीचे मोदक
Okay.
और पुरणपोळी और गुळाची पोळी और the list can go on.
No, fantastic, fantastic. So I think Priya Bapat has definitely redeemed herself as far as the rapid fire is concerned. And now, Saita Mankar, you have to brace yourself and
Yeah.
just slug it out. So rapid fire with Saita Mankar now. A food hack tip you want to give to all those who are overweight. You want to give any tip to people?
Ask yourself, what did I do for my body today? Every day.
Great. An actor from Bollywood you'd love to steal and take him on a food trip.
Food trip.
Yeah.
Ranveer Singh.
Okay. An actress from Bollywood you think, in fact, last interview.
Yeah. Now it's very, very clear.
Taking the rumors into account, there's more to that. An actor from Bollywood you think has the best, not a size 0 figure. A Bollywood actress you think has the best, not a size 0 figure. She has a great figure, but it's not like a size 0 figure.
I think Shilpa Shetty is, she has a toned body and I quite like her.
Right.
And even Vipasha.
Absolutely. What's the funniest thing about Sai that no one is aware of? What is the funniest thing about Saita Mankar?
Funniest.
Yeah.
Oh, funniest thing about me. I really like to pick my nose. And very frequently.
That's like a.
Who's going mad? What
That's
are you
like
going
a-
to talk?
That's like a really great answer, actually. Loved it. If you have the power to cast any one Bollywood actor in a rom-com opposite you, which actor will bag the role?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor.
He's on mine.
Okay, ठीक है. अरे फिल्म करूँ सकते ना मैं हाँ. Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor. So between Ranveer Singh and Ranbir Kapoor, you like the entire R word actually somehow.
Yes.
You do. You're playing the role of an overweight girl. What do you think is the biggest advantage of being one?
Being overweight.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. You can eat anything and everything.
You can eat anything.
Yeah.
All right. A film Saith Mankar is incomplete without.
A film.
Yeah.
that I'm-
One film that you've done of all your film which you think has
Dunyadari.
that stays with you. Dunyadari.
Dunyadari,
Yeah, I
yeah,
think that's true. Most unfair criticism that came your way after any of your films. Has there been any unfair criticism that has come your way?
Yeah, some people still think that I cannot act. And I respect their opinion, but yeah, I just respect their opinion. That's it. I don't agree with them.
Okay. So, it's like very difficult to decide that who has won out of you because both of you guys have given like.
Let's give it to Priya now. Let's show some love, please. Yeah.
So I think,
So there
but
will
I
be
feel it's like a
cat
tie.
fights later.
I personally feel it's like more of a tie.
Tie,
actually.
yeah.
Yeah.
So-
So you
which
want a
has been-
tiebreaker or something?
No, it's fine actually. We don't have anything to give away right now. We've run out.